Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell your logo designs online, specifically using LetWorkBedone freelancing website. Let us get started. Type LetWorkBedone.com. This is a freelancing website. It is loading. Oh yes, so it has very many categories, but specifically we are looking at logo design, how you can sell your logos online. So the first thing to do, you are going to join. You are going to join now. There are two options. You can either join with Google, or you can join with LinkedIn. Just click on sign up with Google and it is going to take you to your Gmail account, where you are going to select your email. For instance, this is @YBK. I'm going to click on @YBK, and once I click there, it is going to take me to the sign up process. So immediately it is going to take me to LetWorkBedone homepage. The sign up is very simple. You don't need username or password. Only what you need is Gmail. So this is our homepage login. There are very many sellers who are offering services like yours. Just click on one of the seller and see how he is selling his services, and you can follow the same procedure. So this is @YB. He is selling plugins and he has some ratings. But what I want you to do today, you are going to go to post a gig. It is a button located on the top, post a gig, and once you click there, it is going to take you to this page. So in this page there is a gig title, gig category, a gig tag. So we start with gig title. So in a gig title, you are going to write what people are searching for. So in this case, we are going to post logo designs. So you'll say, I will design a logo in 24 hours. I will design a logo in 24 hours. Then under category, you are going to select graphics and design. So there is also a subcategory under graphics and design. You are going to select logo design. Then under tags, you are going to put their keywords which people are likely to search for, such that your logo design, logo gig can come up. For instance, here you can say logos, press enter, logo design, press enter, animated logos, press enter. Then when you feel that everything has been set up, the gig title, the category, the subcategory and the tags, then you click on save and continue. So it is going to take you to another page. It is going to take you to another page where you are supposed to set price, set packages, set attributes, set everything such that buyers can select your services when they search your gig. So meanwhile, as I'm waiting for the page to load, it is taking a lot of time. It is taking a lot of time, but it's coming. It is coming. Yeah, let us wait. So as you are waiting, there are many places where you can use online to make logos, and you provide those logos and you customize them already to give them to your clients. Oh, that's good. The page has come up. It has come up. Let us go to price and package. Everything is structured well. There is overview, scope and pricing, description and frequent asked questions, requirements, galaxy and publish. So at this time we are on scope and pricing. So at this stage there are two options. You can either sell in basic or sell in package. So here you are going to unlock revenue with all packages. Let us try and unlock packages. So we shall have basic, standard and advanced. So you have to give the description. So in the basic package you are going to say, I will design a logo in 24 hours. You can even copy this, copy and paste in standard and also paste in advanced, such that change these ones accordingly. So in the basic package you said I will design a logo in 24 hours. In a standard package you can say I will design 2 logos. I will design 3 logos in 24 hours. In 24 hours. Then in advance you are going to say I will design 5 logos. I will design 5 logos in 24 hours. So when you go to delivery time, how much time are you going to design that logo and you deliver it to your client? For instance, here you are going to say basic package 1 logo, I'm going to set 1 day, then 3 logos. Depending on your time you'll be having, you can also set as 1 day or you can also set as 3 days. Then 5 logos you can also set as 6 days. So when you go to source file, are you going to include source file in your logos? In basic package, if you don't want to include source file, then you skip. In standard package, include source file. Advanced, source file. Logo transparency, you give it here, you give it here. High resolution, give it here, give it here. Mop-up, do you give mop-up here? Here. Stationary design, you don't provide, let us assume that you don't provide in standard, you only provide in advanced. Social media kit, you provide it in advance. Vector file, you provide it in advance. Then when we come to revision, clients, they need revisions many times. They can say, I'm not happy with your design, you redesign it. So how many revisions can you give? So you can say, in basic I don't give any revision, in standard I give 2 revision, in premium I can revise the design 3 times. Then when we come to package, can say, me I can design a logo in basic package as $5, then standard package $10, then premium package $15. So prices can be set accordingly. You can either increase your prices or decrease the prices depending on the type of clients you have. Then when we come to propose extras, do you provide extras? Let's say in logo transparency, do you provide transparency logos? At how much? Maybe you can say at $5. For how many days? You can say I will provide extra for 4 days. What about high resolution? If the client wants high resolution, how much do you charge? For instance, high resolution you can charge 20, then at additional days 5 days. We are done with step 2. Then when you are done with step 2, you are going to click on save and continue. So we are saving. So we are going to description. Description is very important. It tells the client what you provide in your services. So for instance, I can say, if we want a logo, then you have come at a right place. Then you have come at a right place. So you have to describe everything that will be included in your logo. You also have to put their basic package, what you provide in a basic package. What do you provide in a standard package? What do you provide in a premium package? So after finishing your setup, clients will come and read your description and see if you qualify to give what they want. Then after set up everything, you can also add frequent asked questions. Those are questions that clients are able to ask you. For instance, do you provide source file? If you say yes, can write it here. Yes, I will provide source file. So you're going to excuse me, I may not have good handwriting and some content are misspelled, but it's okay. This is how you are going to set your package. Then when you are done, you can click on insert your frequent asked question and click on continue. So when you click on continue, the process is going to take you to buyer requirement stage. In buyer requirement stage, you are going to write there what do you need the buyer to provide to you before you start the work. For instance, you can say, me, before I start the work, I want the client provide all the information about the logo. So when you are done with requirements, you are going to click on save and continue button. This stage is going to take you to another stage where you are going to upload the image for your service. You can upload the image in this 550 by 370 pixels, and your image should be well designed and attractive. So it is going to take you to, it is taking me to the desktop where I have to select one image. So I have selected one, so I'm waiting for the image to be uploaded. So it is going to take some few seconds for the image to be uploaded. Yeah, it is uploaded, and once it is uploaded, you are going to click on save and continue. So once you save and continue, your service will be published on LetWorkBedone site. So to make that, click and publish. So you are about to finish. It is being published, and once you are done with that, click on OK. So it is going to take you to another window, and that window, it has share button. The purpose of this share button is that you are going to share your service on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn. So the purpose of sharing is attract buyers from your circles. You have very many people from Facebook, you have very many people from WhatsApp, you have very many people from Twitter, you have very many people from LinkedIn. This is a category of people which is going to buy your services, the service that you have posted. So if you want to get buyers immediately, make sure that you share your service to these social medias, and once you have done, click on I'm done. Definitely it is going to take you to your gig. So now this is the service, this is the list of service that we have been posting, and this is the service that we have just posted right now. You can view it, you can edit it, you can deactivate, you can preview. If you click on preview, you are going to see your service the way how it is. Now this is a place, this is what the clients will see. If the client come on the LetWorkBedone site, they will see this. They will see package, they will see premium, they will see basic. They will come and read your description. They will come and read everything that is included in each package. And once they are fulfilled, once they are okay with the description, they will contact you. And once they contact you, you can negotiate about the price, and once you negotiate the price, they will pay, and once they pay, you will start working on their logo. Thank you very much. We have stopped here. Have a nice